Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are reviewing the new Lexus RCF. And this thing has a rocket bunny too, and later in the video I'll show you the max it can be and the stock upgrades. This thing is really nice. Now here's the side. And then the acceleration. For the upgrades, this is stock 467 horsepower and almost 4,000 pounds, and it is stock A-class and rear wheel drive. Now here's the Rocket Bunny kit, 10 grand, and this thing is looking beautiful. Lexuses look amazing. Alright, and if you max this thing all the way up, the max you can get it to is 797 horsepower, and around you probably can get a little bit less or more, and it'll cost you about $130.